We are doing everything possible in our power to make it to Nashville. And the entire force of the world is coming down to practice.
Don't want to overheat.
It's good as, hey, you can't park there! You can't park there! Yeehaw!
Alright, boys. Here's the vlog we've been waiting to give you. Here's the first startup of our trip. Let's fucking go. Elbow macaroni.
How much macaroni can fit in this truck?
Hell yeah! Yee yee! Alright, boys. This is the vlog we've been waiting for months now. So this has been one that's been in the making for a while, since like my deployment. We're officially going to pick something up today. I don't want to say yet what it is, but you can probably see it in the thumbnail and stuff. So we got the shirt on, we got the hat. Obviously we're getting something cool, I guess. So if you guys saw the other vlog, we had some problems with this truck, so we're praying that the truck is perfectly fine and we have a, I guess, smooth transition there. But we are going to Nashville, Tennessee right now. We're about to spend a couple days there, have some fun, and then we are about to go to Kentucky, and we're about to pick up this car and hope that this F2 Liddy is going to get us there, because if you saw, this shit fucking broke down the other day. So yeah, what else do we do? What else do we tell them, Dylan?
Let's not tell them anything. They're gonna find out.
Alright, so here's us embarking on our trip. Should be an interesting one. Let's hope this thing doesn't break up down on the side of the road.
Yeah, we'll give some updates along the way.
We got some tools to fix it though, so.
We got a big toolbox back here. Filled it up with all the tools we can find.
Oh, the biggest thing we forgot. If you want to watch the rest of this video, you gotta like, subscribe, and comment. And for this next build, now that we're gonna have 3 builds going on in the channel, that's probably gonna be one of the most interesting ones, I think. So if there's anybody out there that wants to sponsor this channel, even though we've got like no subscribers.
We have over 300.
Oh! Can she make it 12 hours? Find out on today's episode of F2 Liddy.
Yeehaw, this is the F2 Hoopty.
Can Betty make it?
Alright, fella, we're rolling.
First fill, brother. Alright. 5 gallons, $36. I'm gonna be bankrupt by the time this trip's gone. Oh my gosh. Oh, good Lord.
Look at it on the bright side. You just got a full tank for $36.
Oh, God.
A full tank for $36. You can't beat that, fella.
This gauge is definitely wrong.
What's wrong with the gauge, fella?
It's full, but it doesn't say it's full. Well, alright, let's go, guys. Frankie McDonald here, coming at you. We're about to eat a lot of hot dogs. Hot diggity dog. It's a diesel. Fill up number 2 of eating all my money. What are we at now? Like over $100?
About.
Damn. Alright, let's go eat more gas up. Hot diggity dog!
I think this motherfucker overheated or something. I think it's overheating. I think that car is overheating. It's gonna explode. It's gonna Hey, you can't park there! You can't park it there!
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, that shit was...
Where's the fire department at?
That thing
There they are, finally.
I think it overheated.
That's bad. What if that thing actually explodes, though?
Yeah, that was bad. That was really, really bad.
Let's hope that's not us, dude. We gotta watch that temp gauge. We don't want to overheat.
What's our temp?
No, that doesn't work. That says it's ice cold. Like my heart. This is the real temp.
We'll give you another update if we see any other cars that overheat.
On Yee Yee Adventures.
Yee-haw, fella.
Big Betty.
Roll Tide.
This earlier, and it has set up on the lights and a coffee. Why did I not know about this earlier? Try the new $5 bill book.
Oh, this is bumpy. Holy shit.
All right, give them an update. Nice.
All right, this thing's eating all my gas. They're eating all my wallet again. I'm feeling pretty broke. That's why we had to go get these, like 10 bucks H&M. You know what I mean? But this says it's auto diesel. I don't think it's gonna run very well because ours is a manual. Damn, dude, this thing eats it. She drinks it. Alright boys, she broke down, of course, so we started overheating, we pulled over, and there was coolant everywhere, and then now we've been waiting here for like 30 minutes, it's cool, and she still will not start. I don't know what's wrong, I don't know what to do, probably gonna have to get a tow truck. I guess we will keep you updated and pray that we fucking get there, because I don't know anymore. Just my luck, I guess.
Yeah, fix that truck, dude. Come on. I need to go pick up my car.
Alright, here's another update. So we're still broken down on the side of the road. It will not start. And we called AAA. They're about to send us a tow truck. And I guess we're going to just like bring the truck over to a shop. And then pray that they can fix it in the morning. Right now, I guess it sounds like the starter, there's an issue with that. And there's a bunch of coolant and it was overheating, so I'm not sure where the coolant was coming from because we couldn't find any lines that were leaking. So I have no idea what that is, like where it's coming from or what's going on with that. And I don't know why, like if we just replace the starter, why it's not starting again. Because the truck's been sitting for a while and it's cool, so it should start right now. So I don't know what's going on. So I don't know if we're gonna end up taking the truck the rest of the way there or just like rent another truck and just pick it up and drive home, or just fly there, rent the truck, and then drive home. I don't know what to do. We're gonna just, I guess, take it to the shop, go to a hotel, and then
we'll see
what happens in the morning.
And, you know, we'll have to play it by ear tomorrow morning.
Definitely sucks. Some bad luck for sure.
Yeah, I mean, this thing's not even turning over.
Yeah, I don't know. We need fuzzy dice out here.
Well, I guess we'll probably
maybe if I had,
see you in the morning.
maybe if we had like 100,000 subs, like then I could buy something that's not a piece of shit, you know?
Or maybe if we had 100,000 subs, you know, one of our subscribers would be from Virginia. They can come down here and help us out.
Well, it's a good thing we have a bunch of tools, but no way of fixing anything. So, there's that. Maybe we should have brought an extra starter.
Maybe we shouldn't return that one. Put that one back in. Put a bad one back in.
I'll show you guys what it's doing though right now, so you can kind of get an idea. If I can find the key. See, it's just not like turning over. It just sounds like it's the starter again. Like this is literally exactly what happened before. So I don't know.
Forward. And on the road dead. And this is what we are. On the road dead, and everyone's finding us.
For the vlog. Ooh, found on road dead.
No.
Do you have the vlog update?
You're giving the vlog update.
Alright, so Dylan broke the truck, and now he has to pay for the hotel. The water pump's fucked. Dylan's got to pay for that too. He also had to buy me breakfast because he broke the truck.
I don't have any money.
Alright, so Dylan here, he's gonna go over again like what happened. Alright, Dylan. Explain what happened.
What's so funny?
Alright, so seriously, I don't know if we talked about it last night so much, but we didn't really know what was going on. And then now we got it. So we actually got saved by this dude that, I guess he was a diesel mechanic. He said he worked on a lot of 7.3s on his brothers and stuff, and like, I guess they have a diesel shop. So right now it's over there. They said that the water pump's bad. Getting a new water pump, it wasn't starting. I just put a new starter on there. Apparently, I guess something was wrong with the wire, so that's fixed now. So hopefully the rest is good. So we're just kind of like waiting in the Super 8. And what else? Waffle House is trash.
Except for Raymond.
Yeah, except for Raymond, I guess he's pretty cool. Don't go to Waffle House. What else? We ate like kings this morning. That's for sure.
Burger King burrito's actually not too bad.
We shaved the beard. What else, Dylan? What else?
If you're planning your next vacation, Lexington, Virginia.
There's a lot of mumbling going on around here.
A lot of bar'll do.
Let's hear an impression.
I went to Burger King this morning and I placed my order like this. Bar'll do.
Alright, so hopefully we get back on the road soon and this trip gets going.
Think about what you want to say.
Damn, peep that stash though. Oh, sheesh. Trip update. I'm bankrupt. Dylan spent all my money because he broke my truck and now I'm broke. So I don't know how we're going to make it back home. We might just have to live in the truck because Dylan refuses to send us home. So
like and subscribe.
crazy seeing you guys here. Damn. Alright guys, this is Mikasa. Yo, what the fuck is this guy doing in the bed?
Like and subscribe.
As you can see, it's pretty nice in here. I'll get to the mold part soon. Here's our fine bathroom. Oh. Damn. Peep that mold. Gotta love it. Gotta love the stains in the shower too. Ooh. Ooh. Damn, nothing for the vlog today. This guy's, he doesn't got the energy today, I guess. He's a little tired, a little mad because he broke the truck and now he's gonna pay for it. So it's crazy. He's just like, I wish I was in Nashville with a beer in my hand. He said it's beer o'clock. Dylan, it's only 11 o'clock, you alcoholic.